Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Combine 450 g bread flour, 250 g cottage cheese, 1 large egg, 7 g instant yeast, 30 g sugar, 10 g salt. Use 120 ml warm water and mix to a slightly sticky, cohesive dough that holds together but still yields to a finger press. Knead 6 to 8 minutes until smooth and elastic, adding up to 20 ml extra water only if necessary. Cover and proof at room temperature for 60 minutes until roughly doubled, or refrigerate for a cold ferment of 8 to 12 hours to deepen flavor. Divide dough into 8 pieces, about 100 g each, and pre-shape into tight rounds. Rest under a towel for 10 minutes to relax the gluten. Stretch center to a 3-5-inch hole by pressing with your thumb and rotating, or roll into a rope and join ends, smoothing seams. Bring a wide pot of water to a gentle boil, add 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 tablespoon sugar, and boil 60 seconds per side to set the crust and create that classic chewy skin. Brush each boiled bagel with 1 egg wash, or use milk for a softer sheen, then immediately add toppings like sesame, poppy, or everything seasoning. Bake at 425 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes until golden brown and hollow sounding when tapped. Rotate the tray at 12 minutes for even color. Cool on a wire rack for at least 30 minutes to set crumb. Store refrigerated up to 3 days in a sealed bag, or freeze cooled bagels up to 3 months. Reheating at 350 degrees F for 8 to 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.